Today I'm unboxing the RadioMaster Pocket Remote Control. By the way, let me teach you how to calibrate. It contains a remote control, an instruction manual, a sticker, a data cable, toolkit, screen protector, Next, we install the battery. You need to purchase the battery separately when buying this product. Installation complete. You can now power on the device for calibration. Enter System menu. Hardware settings. Start joystick calibration. Move joystick. Check if calibration is complete. Once calibration is complete, you can begin pairing the drone with the specified frequency.